SPC flooring is a new type of flooring that combines the advantages of durability, water resistance, and easy installation. It is made of stone plastic composite material, which is environmentally friendly and recyclable. One of our best-selling series is the EIR wood grain series, which features a realistic wood texture and a variety of colors to suit different preferences. The type number T9019 for millimeters H6023 6 millimeters is a popular choice among our customers, as it has an orange color that adds warmth and brightness to any space. The size of this flooring is 1220 mm x 184 mm, and the thickness is 4 millimeters or 6 millimeters, depending on your needs. The surface of this flooring is EIR, embossed-in-register, which means that the texture matches the pattern of the wood grain, creating a natural and authentic look. This flooring is produced by our own factory, which has 20 years of flooring production experience and a strict quality control system. Our company name is HH Flooring Group Shaman Company, Limited, and we specialize in supplying and exporting high-quality SPC flooring to various markets around the world. If you are interested in our SPC flooring, please contact us for more information and samples.